Hello guys, Novs here and today's video is about street photography. So gusto kong gawin yung video na to at gusto ko kayong isama sa street photography na ginagawa ko. Like asking strangers to be my model. So yeah, let's go! Just got here and by Marina looking for there's the guy. Just got here and there's the handsome guy right here. Ah, what's up? What's up? Man, how are you? It's been a while. Hi you guys, how are you? I'm good. I'm a street photographer and I'm asking stranger to be my model for like a really quick photo. If you don't mind me, I would love to take a photo of you.
No, we'll take together. Let's go.
Yeah. Just here.
Let's go. I'll take a picture.
First, I will show you the photo. If you don't like it, I'll delete it. So you don't have to worry about this. By the way, I'm filming this for Reels on TikTok.
Oh.
So you will be seeing it. Like I have. Yeah.
Teacher.
I will just guide you guys. Yeah. Just be here. That's a tough. Wow. Yes. So I really love this. I love this background, and I'm gonna ask my assistant. Just kidding. My friend.
Yeah, I'm assistant.
No, just for your photo. Yes. Yeah.
You're so calm.
Hold on. Let me just bring the brightness a lot better. Okay. So now I want you to place it somewhere here.
Yeah.
And just be. What do you like when you're What do you do when you do selfie? You just smile, right?
Yeah, I just.
Yeah. So come here. So that's where you're really comfortable
Yeah.
with. And look at my lens.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be. Hold on. 1, 2, 3 shot. And what's your favorite angle when you do selfie in your face? Which side?
It's any side. I don't care.
Okay. That's so good. That's something like that.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. So I want you to do something like this
Okay.
and do some sample. Yeah, that's really great already. Yeah.
Okay.
Come here. Yeah, that's the for hair phrase. Yeah, come here a little bit. Yeah, that's so good. Wow, it's so amazing. 1, 2, 3 shot. I want more. Hold on. 1, 2, 3 shot. So great. That's so awesome.
It's cute. Can we do one more? I don't like it.
Yeah. No worries. Wait. Like do something like this.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that's great already.
Is it okay for your work?
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Quick one.
Yeah, so good. 1, 2, 3 shot.
Yeah.
Wow,
It's
so
good, thank you.
amazing. And one more thing. Yeah, I want something here. You can just
We'll do it together.
you,
We'll
you
represent
can
Yalla tours.
stand here. Maybe stand here
Should we
and
do it
looking at this
together,
way.
both of us?
Yeah.
How?
So I would so one shot. Yeah, one shot. Yeah, just like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3 shot. That's so great. What's your name?
Palina.
Malina.
Palina.
Palina. I'm sorry for that.
It's okay.
Okay, I'll do her also. One.
sit too.
Then yeah, you stay there because the customer.
Yeah, also.
Yeah. That's, come
This is
here.
my profile.
That's what you like.
That's like this.
Okay, that's great. And yeah. I want this to be even more stronger, I believe. So it's gonna be okay. That's so great. Yes, amazing. So amazing, so dramatic. Wow, that's so 1, 2, 3 shot. Look at this. Your eyes is really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. I wanna do some close up because your eyes are really great. You have to come over here. Yes, don't worry. 1, 2, 3 shot. Can you your hair? Yes. So yeah. It doesn't matter if this one is falling here. Yeah, that's so great. Yes. 1, 2, 3. So amazing. And facing me? Yeah, like that. Yeah. Just normal like that. 1, 2, 3. Yes, so great.
See face, it's not the good.
Yeah,
Show
that's.
me the other.
I'll show you some of the. Okay. That I like this one. It's so dramatic. Hey, sorry for that.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm gonna be editing this, but I'm gonna take a photo of you both.
Okay.
While waiting for her, let's take a photo of this, of you, also facing me. I want, yeah. It's like do something like here, yes, but you're standing this way. I wanna get this background.
What are we doing?
Yeah, both of you. One person needs to be there. Come here. What's your name?
Jima.
Jima?
Yeah.
Jima, you can stand here, Jima, and do the same pose that you did.
Like this?
Yeah, exactly. So amazing. 1, 2, 3 shot. I want that to be close. Closer? No. Yeah, the light. So amazing. So great. Yes. One more. 1, 2, 3 shot. I think no light. It's better. 1, 2, 3 shot. One more. Yes. Yeah. That's so great. Yes. Wow, so nice. That's so great. I like this.
And start covering.
Okay, so what's your best pose? And you can do that. Together, both together. You can stand here both because I wanna blur background. Yeah, that's so great. Yes, so amazing. 1, 2, 3 shot. One more. Yes. I want to close up, and 1, 2, 3. That's so awesome. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be giving you my Instagram so you can get the photos from there. Just
You will ask, I will ask.
I will ask. It's perfect. Okay. Yeah. Hi, good evening. Sorry for disturbing you. I'm a street photographer and I'm asking strangers to be my model. And I would love to, your area is amazing, everything is amazing, and I would love to take a portrait shot of you, if you don't mind. Anyway, I'm gonna delete them if you don't like it.
I am no too much English. Slowly told me.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
You want the picture?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'm an Instagram photographer.
Instagram for
Yeah. No problem. Yeah, thank you. What's your name?
Samar. Samar.
Samar. Where
Yes.
from?
Samar.
Wow, amazing. Nice to meet you.
Huh?
Arabic.
Arabic.
Yeah.
Arab smart is zyada bas yeah.
But still, it's too small.
That's not makeup.
Yeah.
Not.
No worries. I'll take care of it. Yeah, it's perfect. It's amazing. Everything is amazing. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 shot. I think I'm gonna need the light here. Yeah. So we have a light here. Hold on. It's like an instant modeling. Hold on. Oh, I thought I'm low, but I'm empty. Okay, that's amazing. That's so great. Okay, so good. 1, 2, 3 shot. One more. 1, 2, 3 shot. That's so good. I want to show it to you. Like, hold on. I want to get a little bit closer here. Astrid, let me just get. Yeah, it's just. Yes, that's amazing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, shot. You are a natural model. Okay, yeah, just show it. Okay, that's so cool. And later I wanna get on that gear part. So 1, 2, 3, shot. Wow, so amazing. I'll quickly show you.
Yeah,
Like-
this one is very nice.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's get here. You can stand. Sorry, bro. It's okay. We just wanna take a photo of her. And you can here. Yes, it's closer to that. Now I need my phone. Yes. Yes. Hold this one for me. Sorry. Wanna get an effect of what I do. Okay. Okay. I think yeah. I think yeah. Yes. 1, 2, 3, shot. I'll show you this one.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, let's do one more.
I try too much.
No worries. It's you're real, like really natural. Okay. 1, 2, 3, shot. Wow, so amazing. You are natural. Wow. Okay. Do you need more? You want?
Some photos.
Yeah, yeah. I'll give you the lights. Nice. We're just wrap up the shoot and we're going home with the legendary photographer,
Not legendary.
the one that I look up to.
Starter. Not legendary.
See how humble he is, and yeah, that's her. Blah. And yeah, that's her. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and yeah, thank you for watching. I don't know, you subscribe or not? You haven't
And
subscribed yet?
Stay
Please
tuned.
double click
For
the
watching.
subscribe button.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying, but the thing is, we're going home. Hope you enjoy the shoot. Yeah, wow, this car is amazing.